All right, for anybody who's curious about the oil in the Navi, this is it's about 1,500 miles. I need to look back at my maintenance records and remember when I changed it last, but I know it's been a couple of years. Anyway, I wanted to pull the gold plug out of here and get a picture or some video of what's on the gold plug. And I'm doing this one-handed here. Let me see if I can monkey toe it and use my shoes to hold it steady, and I'll wipe that off. And you guys can see what the focus, damn you. You can see what the gold plug captures. So it's that fine ferrous sludge right there, so it's doing its job. There's no filters in these scooter engines, no oil filters, so it's got a screen on the other side, but if that screen is catching something, you got problems. Because it's huge, man. I mean, you're talking like giant splinter shards. Anyhow, there's it's probably 1,500 mile oil. The Scoot has how many miles? 2431.7 miles on it. So it's been at least 2 years since it got changed, and today's the day. Doing the other bikes, I did Kevin's ADV 150 and put the rear wheel and tire back on my Rebel. I need to check my maintenance on it and see when the oil was done on it, but I think it's still got a couple thousand miles to go. Anywho, bike maintenance Sunday.